Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a new viral AI photo with you and the Soldier Boy and the Homelander. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you will need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So for this photo you will need ChatGPT and the prompt. So I will leave the prompt in the description and I will just copy it real quick. So this is the prompt for this photo. You will need just simply copy it from the description, then go back to the ChatGPT and paste this prompt to the new chat with the ChatGPT. And now all you have to do is to attach your photo. So I will just attach my photo from the profile picture of the channel, but more photos you attach, the better will be the result. And it will be best if you will attach photo where your full height is shown. So basically now you can send the picture. So of course you can adjust this prompt. So for example, if you want to wear some kind of a suit or you want to be in the hat, etc., you will need to type it in the prompt. Like in the end, for example, say that I want to be with a hat or with a cap, etc., and it will make you in a hat or with the guitar, everything you want. So now you will need to wait a little bit until everything is finished and image is created. So as you can see, our dark cool picture with the Homelander and Soldier Boy is created. We can click on it and save in the top right corner, and now we can just upload it to the Reels or TikTok or make a TikTok, and you will get millions of views with this cool photo. And basically that is it. That is how you can make a new AI trend with the Homelander and Soldier Boy. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.